Feel the majesty of untouched nature at every step. And be sure to be in sync with the extreme weather conditions rather than working against them. Hard winds, stiffening frost, unexpected rain, and a mission to explore contemporary glaciers. All that can become both an adventure and a trial. Minuscule details are at the core of mountain climbing. They are at the core of your comfort and confidence. The more confident you feel, the safer you are. The safer you are, the higher the chance you will conquer the mountain you desired and achieve your goals. Extreme changes in temperature are to be reckoned with in your choice of clothing, because your level of comfort determines the success of your research. In the mountains, your clothing is more than just clothes. It is an equipment, an invisible yet ever-present team member that takes care that you stay warm, dry, and well. While testing my custom-made trousers in the harsh mountain reality, we were considering the finest details of mountain climbing. What are the essentials? What deserves extra attention? And what is inconsequential? It's warm whilst on the move, but it takes just 10 minutes of stopping to collect samples to already experience the coldness of the hard wind. Therefore, the clothing is of extreme importance in an expedition. It has to protect you in all weather conditions. Of course, at least the minimum of comfort also improves the efficiency of the expedition. It's not the names of the peaks you conquer that make you a successful climber. It's your ability to notice the interconnections and details.